When many foreigners first arrive in Korea, they face an immediate decision. They have to choose between working in a factory or on a farm. This choice isn't just about a job. It often shapes their entire lifestyle. And because of certain conditions and processes, changing later isn't always easy. In many cases, there isn't enough time to think things through. The moment to choose between factory and farm comes quickly. At that point, a decision has to be made. Which one would you choose? Factory or farm? Factory offers stability and steady income. Farm offers freedom, but comes with uncertainty. Many foreigners choose factory jobs for stable income. Often, they can start working quickly through referrals. Fixed hours and steady pay are strong advantages. That predictability brings a sense of stability. Housing is often provided. Short commutes make daily life simpler. On the first day, they experience the production line directly. Keeping up with the conveyor speed is harder than expected. The voice doesn't stop. It just keeps moving. Inside the factory, the environment is usually controlled. Air conditioning or heating reduces the impact of outside weather. But repeating the same motion builds fatigue quickly. Especially at the beginning, it can feel overwhelming. Factory work is divided into connected processes. One delay can affect the entire line. Everyone has to perform their role precisely. That structure naturally creates pressure. Work is often managed top-down. The workflow follows strict guidelines. Work comes first. Everything else comes after. Many factories have a cafeteria. Daily routines tend to stay consistent. Overtime and extra shifts can happen. Sometimes even weekends are included. This often leads to higher income, so people accept the time trade-off for money. After work, most people just rest. Fatigue often limits personal activities. Days can start to feel repetitive. They're predictable, but not very flexible. People often say the money adds up, but there's barely time to spend it. Over time, fatigue builds up. Repetitive work can affect the body. In the end, factory work is stable and pays well, but time and freedom are limited. How this feels depends on the individual. Satisfaction varies based on how well they adapt. Many foreigners choose farm work expecting more freedom. Some imagine a slower, more relaxed life outside the city. Housing is usually near the farm. Living conditions can vary depending on the environment. Meals often have to be prepared personally. At first, this can feel inconvenient. From day one, the workload can feel intense. Most tasks are physically demanding. Work often involves dirt, water, and dust. It can feel rougher and messier than expected. In winter, the cold has to be endured directly. Conditions change drastically with the seasons. Physical strain can build up quickly. Early adjustment is very important. Farm work is heavily affected by weather. Rain or heat can change the schedule. Workload is not always consistent. Each day can feel different. There can be days without work. That can affect income. That makes things hard to predict. It can take time to adjust. There are often long hours working alone. The environment stays quiet. But that can also lead to loneliness. There's less interaction with others. Time has to be managed personally. Freedom comes with responsibility. Work usually ends when the sun goes down. The day has a clear finish. Income is not always stable. It depends on workload and season. But there can be more personal time. That's a key difference from factory work. Physical recovery becomes important. Conditions can vary depending on the environment. Some people adjust over time, but experiences differ greatly. In the end, farm work offers freedom, but it comes with uncertainty. Foreign workers in Korea often work under a specific visa system. Changing workplaces usually require certain conditions. In some cases, moving is possible, but it often involves a process. So the first choice matters more than you think. It can shape how your experience unfolds. Factory work leans toward money and stability. Farm work leans toward time and freedom. In the end, there's only one real answer. Choose the life you can survive the longest.